So hello friends, in the last lecture we had seen the numericals of the parallel reactions, right? In this lecture we want to discuss about the point reaction approaching the equilibrium, right, or opposing reaction. Okay, so we want to discuss the kinetics of reaction approaching the equilibrium, right? So if suppose I consider a reaction which is a reversible reaction, okay, in that reversible reaction suppose a reactant, both the reaction, that is forward reaction and backward reaction, both reaction are of first order, obey the first order kinetics, okay. By assuming these things, okay, consider the reaction A. In the forward reaction A gives product Z having the rate constant K1 or K only. In the backward reaction Z is converted into A, Z back is decomposed, Z back or reversely decomposed to again form the product A, okay, with the rate constant K minus 1, or you can take, okay, K2 also, no any problem, right, here K1 and K2 or K1 and K minus 1, okay, these are the rate constant for forward and backward reaction, right, okay. Suppose considering initial concentration of A, okay, which is equal to concentration of A is equal to A0, okay, initial concentration of A is equal to A0, right. Consider initial concentration of A is equal to A0 or इथं पुढे लिहा काही अडचण नाही, which is equal to A0, right, at time t, or you can say that initially concentration of Z is equal to 0. Obviously no product will be formed at initial time or 0 time, right, at time t or after time t, right, at time t. Let x amount of Z is formed or x amount of A react, right, leaving behind, right, concentration of A at time t is equal to A minus x, or you can say that A0 minus x, because we are taking A0 as the initial concentration of A, right. At time t, concentration of product Z, okay, is equal to x, right, concentration of product Z is equal to x, because x amount of A react to form product, that is Z concentration at time t, product concentration at time t is equal to x, okay. These are the important things or basic things. So you can write here AT is equal to A0 minus x, right, which is again ZT is equal to x, and A0 is the initial concentration which is equal to A0, right. These are the important things regarding this derivation. Okay. Now, if you assume this reaction, or if you observe this reaction, if you concentrate on Z, in the forward reaction concentration of Z goes on increasing, while in a backward reaction concentration of Z goes on decreasing, because Z is a back decomposed to product, right. So if I write the net change or net rate for formation of product, okay, हा पॉइंट व्यवस्थित आणि एकदम शांततेत समजून घ्या. काय बोललो मी, at forward reaction concentration of Z goes on increasing, while in a backward reaction concentration of Z goes on decreasing. Therefore net rate, right, net rate of formation of product, right, net rate of formation of product, that is dx, or you can say that dz upon a dt, which is also equal to dx upon a dt, which is also equal to rate, right, okay. You can write here k1, right, into A minus k minus 1 into z, right, k1 into A and k minus 1 into z, okay. What is the concentration of A at any time t, which is equal to K1 into A0 minus x minus K minus 1. What is concentration of Z at time t, which is nothing but the product form. Therefore you can write dx upon dt is equal to K1 A0 minus x right, minus k minus 1 into x. This is the equation, right. आपण याला काय म्हणू, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. I write here this equation as dx upon dt which is equal to, okay, k1 into a0 minus x minus k minus 1 into x. This is the important equation, so I write here this equation, right. Okay, but if suppose after some time a is converted into z and after z is forming, z is back converted into a, right. That means this forward and backward reaction are continue. At particular time there is a equilibrium is established. Suppose we assume that equilibrium is established between a and z, we can say that at equilibrium net rate equal to 0, right. At equilibrium net rate is equal to काय 0. That means at equilibrium, therefore at equilibrium dx upon dt which is equal to k1 into a0 minus x minus k minus 1, right, into x which is equal to 0, okay, which is equal to काय 0. So I get second equation. I write here k1 into a0 minus k minus 1 into x, sorry, k1 into a0 minus x into k minus 1 into x is equal to 0, okay, right. This is the second equation. So consider now equilibrium, okay, k1 is equal to k1 into a0 minus x minus k minus 1 into x which is equal to काय 0, right. Now suppose let assume at equilibrium concentration equal to xc, right. At equilibrium concentration equal to काय xc. By putting this condition, okay, x च्या ऐवजी काय टाकणार आपण xc टाकणार. Therefore k1 into a0 minus x minus xe म्हणू आपण याला इथं minus k minus 1 into xc which is equal to 0, right. Okay, so by using this I can write here k1 a0 minus xc, minus sign goes that place, therefore minus to plus k minus 1 into xc, right. By using this I can calculate, right, the value of k minus 1 rate constant. Therefore k minus 1 which is equal to k1 into a0 minus xe upon xe, right, a0 minus xe upon xe. So at equilibrium I get third equation. At equilibrium k minus 1 is equal to k1 into a0 minus xe upon xe, right. This is, I am saying that this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and now this is equation number 3, okay. Putting okay, putting this value in equation number, right, 1, putting this value in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? I write equation number 1 again, okay. I once again write the equation number 1. So I write here equation number 1 as बघा dx upon dt which is equal to k1 into a0 minus x, not xc. It is not at equilibrium. We apply the condition of equilibrium to find the value of k minus 1 only, okay, minus k minus 1 into x, right. Now putting the value of k minus 1 into x in this equation, so I can write here k1 into a0 minus x minus, what is the value of k minus 1 from equation number 3? k1, right, a0 minus xc upon xc into x, okay, into x, okay. Now simplify this equation by cross multiplication. We get k1 into a0 into xc, right? k1 into x, right, into xc. Okay, again minus k1 into a0 into x. Okay, again minus minus become plus, minus minus become plus, that means k1 into xc into x divided by xc. Okay, denominator is a common. Which things are common here? Baga, minus k1 into x into xc plus k1 into xc into x. Okay, k1 into a0 into xc. Okay, k1 into x into xc minus k1, right? Baga, minus k1 x xc plus k1 x xc goes on cancelling. Okay, only remaining terms are k1 into a0 into xc, k1 into a0 into x. Taking the common k1 and a0, k1 and a0 in this equation, I can write here. Okay, I can write this equation as dx upon dt, which is equal to k1 a0 is a common, right? What are the remaining things? xc minus x upon xc. Okay, now equilibrium. Okay, that is the product concentration of product at equilibrium. A0 is the initial concentration, which is constant. These two things are constant. This is also constant. This x is nothing but the amount of reactant react to form the product with the time. That means x is a variable, right? Now taking variable term of x and dx at the same side and dt at the different side, therefore I can write dx upon xc minus x, which is equal to k1 is a constant, a0 is also constant, xe is also constant into dt. Okay. Right? So I can integrate this equation between the limits 0 to x for x, right, and 0 to t for t. Okay, now integrating this equation as baga dx upon xc minus x, integration from 0 to x, which is equal to k1 is a constant, a0 is a constant, xc is also constant, integration from 0 to t into dt. Okay, what is the integration of this? Minus ln of xe minus x, okay, with the limit 0 to x. K1 is a constant, a0 is a constant, xc is a constant, integration derivative cancel by each other, 0 to t. Okay, 0 to t. Now next step, what is the next step? In the next step we apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So I can write this equation as, okay, minus sign as it is, minus ln of x, okay, e upper limit is a x, remain as it is, minus, again minus, therefore minus minus plus ln of xc minus x is equal to 0, because which is a lower limit, right? Now k1 is a constant, a0 is a constant, xc is a remain as it is constant, upper limit t, lower limit is a 0, t minus 0. Okay, then what is value? Minus ln of xc minus x, okay, plus ln of xc, which is equal to k1 into a0 upon xc into t minus 0 is equal to t. Here xc minus 0 is equal to xe. Okay, then I can write this equation as ln of xe minus ln of xc minus x, okay, which is equal to k1 into a0 upon xc into t. Okay, applying rules of logarithm, you can write here ln is equal to xc upon xc minus x, okay, which is equal to k1 into a0 upon xc into t. Okay, k1 into a0 upon xc into t. Okay, then if you want to find the rate constant for forward reaction, which is equal to K1, which is equal to Xc upon A0 into T into logarithm of Xc upon Xc minus X. This is the final equation. Okay, this is the final equation, right? If you want to change the format of this equation, which is equal to K1 into 2.303 into Xc upon A0 into T logarithm to the base 10 Xc upon Xe minus X, right? You can find, okay, anything from this equation. Okay, this is the rate constant for forward reaction. Xc is the equilibrium concentration. Okay, T is equal to time, A0 equal to initial concentration of A, right? Xc minus X is equal to equilibrium minus product form. Okay, this is the derivation for this opposing reaction. This is only the half part. Suppose you plot the graph of concentration of X at various time T, that means graph of X versus T is plotted, okay, which gives us line, straight line having the slope is equal to K1, right? Xe is a formed by the reaction, okay, from the reaction or by using Xe is a directly from find from the reaction by concentration knowing. K1 is equal to rate constant. For forward reaction, we have the reaction A gives the product Z and Z gives the product A with the rate constant K1 and K minus 1, right? K1 by can be finding by plotting the graph having the slope K1. Now how to find K minus 1? Okay, this K minus 1 is obtained by equilibrium constant, right? K minus 1 is obtained by equilibrium constant because we having the value that is K1 upon K minus 1 is equal to equilibrium constant, right? एवढी term लक्षात ठेवा, right? K1 upon K minus 1 is equal to equilibrium constant. K1 is defined by using the graph. Equilibrium constant can be defined by using the reaction. K minus 1 can be defined by using K1 and equilibrium constant. Simply K1 upon equilibrium constant is equal to K minus 1, that is a rate constant for backward reaction. Now suppose you want to find the expression, okay, for the complete reaction, okay, that means for the backward reaction, for the forward reaction, okay. आता how to find, बघा आपल्याकडे एक नवीन इक्वेशन आलं होतं, आता काय आलं होतं, K1 is equal to Xc upon A0 into T ln of Xc upon Xc minus X, right? ln of Xc upon Xc minus X. Okay, this is the equation. Now I want to find the complete derivation for this reaction as A, Z and Z back to A with K1 and K minus 1. Okay, how to find? Baga, once again I consider this equation, which is equation K1, equation number second, K1 into A0 minus X minus K minus 1 into X, which is equal to 0. Okay, observing this equation, right? Okay, because this is the rate constant, because net rate at equilibrium is equal to 0, त्यावरून आपण हे इक्वेशन घेतलं आहे. Therefore K1 into A0 minus X, which is equal to K minus 1 into X. Okay, K minus 1 into X, right? Sorry, मायनस असाच राहू द्या, which is equal to 0 असंच राहू द्या. ओके, काय करू आपण, K1 into A0 minus K1 into X minus K minus 1 into X, which is equal to 0. Okay, taking common term here. Okay, K1 into A0, minus sign is a common, which remain in a bracket. K1 minus minus become plus, plus K minus 1, okay, into X, which is equal to 0. Now from that side negative term become positive, therefore is equal to, okay, मी इथंच arrange करतो, which is equal to. Now I want to find the ratio of Xc and a0, right? xc and काय a0. I'm here taking the equilibrium concentration. I just change this value as a equilibrium. Okay, इथं पण I think so इथं equilibrium असेल. ओके, हां बघा मग इथं काय equilibrium at equilibrium this value is considered. Okay, xc. Now I want to find the value of xc upon a0. Okay, मग काय झालं, a0 तिकडे, this term is come to this side, k1 upon k1 plus k minus 1 which is equal to xc upon a0. We got the new expression, right? This is equation number 1, 2, 3 and now this equation number 4. So I put the value of this equation in equation number 4. मग मी इथं एक statement लिहितो, right? Which one statement? Put this value in equation 4. Equation 4 तिकडे लिहिलेली, right? Equation 4 मी once again equation 4 लिहितो, k1 which is equal to xc upon a0 into t logarithm xc upon xc minus x, right? Putting the value of xc upon a0 in this equation, so I write here k1 xc upon a0 which is equal to k1 upon k1 plus k minus 1 into 1 upon t remain as it is ln of xc upon xc minus x. Okay, this term come to this side, काय होईल मग, k1 into k1 plus k minus 1 divided by k1. Okay, which is equal to 1 upon t into logarithm xc upon xc minus x. Okay, here k1 goes on cancelling, we get k1 plus k minus 1 which is equal to 1 upon t into ln of xc upon xc minus x, right? Okay, then okay, by changing the format of this equation we get k1 into k1 plus k minus 1 is equal to 2.03 upon t logarithm to the base 10 of xc upon xc minus x. Okay, this is the final equation or final answer for the kinetics of the opposing, or you can say that reversible reaction or reaction approaching the equilibrium. Okay, right? This is the derivation. You can take a screenshot too, right? मग आता बघा, the equilibrium constant. Suppose you want to find the equilibrium constant of this reaction. Okay, मग equilibrium constant of this reaction can be find. Equilibrium constant, suppose assuming Kc is equilibrium constant which is equal to Z upon A. This is the equilibrium constant for this reaction. This is the Z at equilibrium and concentration of A also at equilibrium, which is also equal to K1 upon K minus 1, right? The ratio of rate constant of a two different reaction, which is also equal to X equilibrium upon A0 minus X at equilibrium. Okay, this is also a equilibrium constant value for this reaction or for the reaction approaching equilibrium or opposing reaction. Okay, I hope so. तुम्हाला हे समजलं असेल, right? It is a complete derivation for the equilibrium reaction approaching equilibrium or opposing reaction. फक्त फरक काय, only the difference is that in some references K1 is taken as a K1, right? And K minus 1 is considered as K2. Okay, फक्त हेच इक्वेशन कसं चेंज होईल मग. ओके, काय आलं होतं इक्वेशन आपलं, K1 plus K2 which is equal to 2.03 upon T into logarithm to the base 10 of Xc upon Xc minus X. Okay, फक्त चेंज एवढा होईल. इथं काय केलं फक्त इन्स्टेड ऑफ k-1 आय एम टेकिंग. ओके, काय काय ठिकाणी असं दिलेलं असतं a gives b, b gives a with the rate constant k1 and k2, no any matter. ओके, इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस k2 आपण काय घेतलंय फक्त k-1 कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. राईट, सो आय होप सो तुम्हाला हे सगळं समजलं असेल. राईट, मेक युअर ओन नोट्स. ओके, स्वतःचा नोट्स बनवा, व्यवस्थित स्टडी करा. राईट, आणि तुमच्यासाठी एक होमवर्क फॉर यू. I will message you in a WhatsApp group which points should be considered by yourself, okay, as a homework or as a काय म्हणू आपण त्याला own study, right, self study. Simple points असतील. I will consider that point. Okay, so good day all of you. Thank you.